Hello everyone and welcome back to LearnGIS. First of all, thank you to everyone who participated in our free Udemy QGIS course giveaway. We really appreciate all your support. I've collected all the valid entries from Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok and added them to this random wheel. We have a total of 31 entries. Now, without any further delay, let's spin the wheel and find our lucky winner. And we have our winner. Congratulations. Before making it official, let's quickly verify that all the giveaway requirements have been completed. We'll now check the original Facebook giveaway post to confirm that the winner followed LearnGIS, liked the post, and mentioned 2 friends in the comments. Congratulations once again on winning free access to the Udemy course, Map Academy, taking QGIS to the next level. Please send us a direct message within 48 hours to claim your prize. To everyone who participated, thank you so much for your support. If you didn't win this time, don't worry. We'll be hosting more giveaways and sharing plenty of free GIS learning content. Be sure to follow LearnGIS on Facebook and LinkedIn, follow @LearnGIS Daily on TikTok, and subscribe to LearnGIS Official on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.